Are your ad campaigns wasting money on the wrong audience? Learn how to use Semrush to run more effective campaigns in under 3 minutes. First, we'll set up your Semrush folder to organize data. Then, we'll walk through the advertising dashboard and start a free trial to access advanced features. First, head to your Semrush folders to organize your data. Then, click on Advertising in the left-hand menu. Now, click Get Started to begin. Take a moment to review the information on this page. When you're ready, click Try It Now. You'll see 2 options. Choose the one that fits your needs. Click on Base to review what's included in that plan. Then, click on Pro to review the Pro plan's features. Finally, click Get 7 Days Free Trial to start your trial. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.